come to question number 14, exercise 2, phase 2, ellipse. Equation of tangent to ellipse, which cuts off equal intercept with the axis. So here, which cuts off equal intercept with the axis, that means m can be plus minus 1, not only just plus 1. So m can be plus minus 1. Y is equal to mx plus minus under root a square m square plus b square. This can be the answer. So y is equal to plus minus x plus minus under root a square, 25 plus 16. So y is equal to plus minus x plus minus under root of 41. So two answers are possible. One is y is equal to x plus 41 under root 41, or y is equal to minus x minus under root 41. So in this case, the equation of tangent with cuts off equal, four are possible. One will be y is equal to minus x plus under root 41, and one will be y is equal to minus x minus under root 41. So x plus y, this is correct. So constant one must be this. Mx plus c. Constant must be this. So these are the four equation of tangent to the ellipse which cuts off equal intercept. These four answers will be correct. So thank you.